Half a mile from the county fair, and the rain came pouring down. Me and Billy were standing there with silver half a crown, and the pull of a fishing rod, and the tackle on our backs. We just stood there getting wet, with our backs against the fence. Oh, the water, oh, the water, oh, the water. Hope it don't rain all day. 'Cause it stoned me to my soul. Stone me just like jelly roll. Let it stone me. It stoned me to my soul. Stone me just like going home. Let it stone me. On the way home we sang a song, throats was getting dry. I seen a man across the road, had the sunshine in his eye. He lived all alone in his own little home. He had a great big gallon jar. There was bottles too for me and you. He said, hey, there you are. From a mountain stream.